Most students study for weeks and still forget everything on exam day, but Richard Feynman, one of the smartest scientists who ever lived, could learn almost anything, fast, deeply, permanently. And he had one rule: if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. That one rule became a technique, and that technique can change how you learn forever. It's called the Feynman Technique, and it has 4 steps. Step 1, pick a concept, just one. Could be photosynthesis, could be Newton's laws, could be anything. Write the topic at the top of a blank page. Step 2, explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. No textbook language, no complicated terms, simple words only. Because if you need big words to explain something, you're hiding behind confusion. Step 3, find the gaps. This is where it gets powerful. Wherever you get stuck, wherever your explanation breaks down, that's exactly what you don't understand. Go back, study that part again, fill the gap. Step 4, simplify even more, read it again, make it shorter, make it cleaner, until a complete stranger could understand it in under a minute. That's it. 4 steps. Here's why it actually works. Most students confuse recognition with understanding. You read something, it feels familiar, so you think you know it. But familiarity is not knowledge. The moment you try to explain it, in your own words, to someone else, your brain is forced to actually process it, not memorize it, understand it, and understanding sticks, memorizing fades. Feynman used this on quantum physics, on biology, on completely new subjects, and every time he didn't just learn the topic, he owned it. Because real learning isn't about how many hours you study, it's about how deeply you understand. So tonight, don't reread your notes, don't highlight for the 5th time. Instead, take one topic, grab a blank page, and explain it. Out loud, in simple words, like you're teaching someone. You'll immediately know exactly what you understand and exactly what you don't. That's more valuable than 3 hours of passive studying, because the goal was never to study more. The goal was always to understand more. And now, you have the technique to do exactly that.